as our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, who not only believes, and I think that the unique leadership quality of our Prime Minister is he dreams and he does at the same time, himself working over 14 hours a day, but at the same time also motivates 1 billion Indians to dream and do. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, sir, for your vision for Make in India. It has inspired everybody in India. What strikes me the most about Make in India is typical to your style. Made is always in the past. Make is about the present and the future. Make is for all Indians and the world, and you have focused Indian industry and Indians on the present and the future. Important for us to succeed in the Make in India process is global competitiveness. And what better inspiration can all of us get than the achievements of the Indian scientists on the Mars orbiter mission. Our Prime Minister was himself present to applaud these scientists, a feature of global competitiveness where we have sent the cost, and if I think about cost in layman's terms, it's less than 7 rupees a kilometer. In some of the major cities, right, that's the cost to travel in auto rickshaws. And the overall cost is 450 crores. So when the world looks at India, right, let nobody have any doubt that we can be globally competitive at our own terms, and that is why Make in India is right today. Also, what is important is for the Make in India movement, it is important to be open to capital and expertise from all over the globe. Prime Minister, sir, your interactions in Japan, your recent interactions in China, and the anticipation of your visit in the US has created an absolutely positive environment, and the perception of India has changed dramatically, and we need to pursue this collectively and convert this into real capital and expertise flow into India. Also, in your Independence Day, you gave us the vision of a digital India. And to my mind, digital India goes hand in hand with the Make in India framework. It is critical that millions of our youth are trained, are educated, and skilled to make sure that they contribute to your Make in India vision. It is also critical that we connect cluster of our villages to not only markets in India, but to markets globally by building the physical infrastructure and the virtual infrastructure so that all our goods and services are connected to all markets. The initiatives that your government has taken on implementing the national goods and services tax will make India one market and strengthen the overall Make in India program. On behalf of Indian industry and Reliance Industries in particular, I commit myself to the Make in India program. As Reliance Industries, we are already India's largest exporter. We have exports of over 275,000 crores to over 140 countries in the world. And our investments of over 180,000 crores are coming into fruition in the next 12 to 15 months. And we would be creating over 125,000 new jobs in India in the next 12 to 15 months. With your leadership, I have absolutely no doubt that India can come back to a fast growth trajectory, and I very firmly believe that between 8 and 10% for a long period of time is the right growth potential for India. And I look forward to contributing, and with your leadership, to see India as the fastest growing economy in the world. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, for your leadership and inspiration to all of industry.
And now please welcome our next guest speaker, Mr. Franz Hauber, Director, Board of Management, Bosch Limited. Mr. Hauber.
तो देश के सबसे बड़े उद्योगपति इस वक्त विज्ञान भवन में हैं। आपने अभी अभी मुकेश अंबानी को सुना, जमकर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और उनकी सरकार की तारीफ कर रहे थे, उनके विजन, उनकी लीडरशिप की तारीफ कर रहे थे। इस वक्त 30 देशों के 500 सीईओज इस कार्यक्रम में मौजूद हैं। मोदी का ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है मेक इन इंडिया और आज इसे लॉन्च किया जा रहा है। सीधे हम रुक करेंगे जब नरेंद्र मोदी बोलेंगे, लेकिन फिलहाल रुक रहे हैं एक ब्रेक के लिए।